Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malpi and currently I'm working as a senior data analyst at Eden Analytics and I've also been recognized as a Microsoft MVP. So this video is about I'm coming up with a new course which is an end-to-end Power BI skill development program. So this is a course in collaboration with a esteemed university. So we will be having 10 live sessions, 1 hour each, and the date for the course is from 9 February to 16 February. The benefit of the course is you will learn everything from the scratch. So we will be starting with what is data, then what is data analytics, what are the roles you can target, and then we will move toward what is Power BI, learn everything from basic to intermediate and advanced level. And at the end of the course, we will also be doing a POC or you can say a small project to validate your skill. Once this course is completed, you will get a certificate of completion. Apart from it, the benefits of the registering for the course is you will get a free access to the Power BI book which I have written and the courses I have created. So let's give you a walkthrough for it. So as you can see on the screen, this is the book I have written. So just give me a second. This is the Power BI interview secret weapon, which I have written. So in this, you will find out 300 interview questions related to the Power BI related interviews, and those has been segregated by the skills like Power BI Desktop, Power Query Editor, Power BI Service, data modeling. So you will find out all type of questions from basic to advanced. Apart from it, I have created two courses. So let's say you have prepared for Power BI and start learning Power BI. You created some project, then the next step is you have to go for PL300 exam. So I have created an end-to-end course for it. This is basically a practice question course. You can see here or you can also check here. So this is a practice questions course for PL300 exam. In this you will find out practice questions, their explanations, everything. So this course also you will get for free when you register for the exam. Apart from it, let's say you have already completed PL300, then your next step will be going for the DP600. So I have included the DP600 exam also practice test. So you can see this course is paid, but if you register for the course, then you will get this course also for free. And even if you have completed PL300 and DP600 both, the next step will be DP700 exam. So yeah, DP700 course is also included in the package. So this is about the free resources which you will get while registering for the course. So the firstly 10 live sessions, the recordings will be available. Just in case you miss the live session, if you have any doubt, then we can connect later on to discuss your doubts. And then you get a free Power BI access to soft copy of free Power BI book and free access to the courses for PL300, DP600 and DP7. And this is not all. Apart from it, even I will give away a free one-on-one session. So let's say if you are registering for the course and before it you want to just connect with me, understand about Power BI or any questions you have related to career guidance, anything, then we can have a one-on-one session for free. It will be for 30 minutes. And for the first 10 users, I am giving away a free mock interview also. So do register for the course. If you are interested, then do let me know. You can just drop into comment box or you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. Just ping me that I am interested in the course and make sure you ping us before 1 February. So that is the end date for the registration, and even after that the registration will be closed and there are limited seats available. So be fast, do register for the course. Reach out to me if you have any doubts, if you want to seek any clarity related to this, or drop your LinkedIn ID into comments. I will, our team will reach out to you. So thank you so much for watching.